Hey, welcome to new lesson. So in this lesson, we will walk through how contacts and companies are handled during your help desk migration and how automated matching helps maintain the data consistency and relationship in the new platform. So during the migration, contacts and companies are created in your target account based on your data from your source system. So contacts are always required. You can see that you can add and check them here. Contacts are always required to assign the correct authors to the ticket comments and set ticket requesters. Companies, on the other hand, might not be always available, especially if you migrate from sources like Gmail or Outlook. Now, here's where it gets smart. If contacts and companies already exist in your target account, the migration wizard will automatically match them so you don't end up with duplicates. So, here's how it works. Companies are matched by names, and contacts are matched primary email address. So, let's say you already have a company named Relokia in your target system, target company name Relokia. When the migration runs and a Relokia company is found in the source data, the tool will simply link source company to the existing one rather than trying to create a duplicate. As the result, all tickets and contacts related to Relokia will be properly associated with the existing company record in your target platform. So the company will get matched by its name. But if you have a company called Relokia LLC in your target system and a company called Relokia in your source system, then after the migration in your target system, there will be two companies, Relokia and Relokia LLC, because the names of these companies are not same. And if you have no company with the name Relokia in target system, but Relokia in source system, that company will just get created. And there is an important detail to remember about custom fields in companies. If company is matched, for example, as in this case, because company names are the same, and both source and target companies have custom fields, then the existing custom field values in target will remain as they are. The system will not update them during the migration, even if the fields names, like if you match the fields on the field mapping page for companies, we will go to the field mapping right after that. So this is built-in safeguard to avoid overwriting live company data in your destination platform. So custom fields will not be updated as default fields. Basically, the company remains the same as it is in your target account. However, if you want to update those fields, there is no problem. Reach out to the team at contact@relokia.com. Check with them if the update of the custom fields in the companies is possible, and they will add the customization for you if that is possible. So basically, the same approach is used for contacts migration. The only difference is that the contacts are matched by email addresses, not by names, but by email addresses. So let's summarize here. Contacts are required for every migration. Companies might not migrate from some platforms like Gmail, Outlook. If the contacts and companies already exist in target account, they will be automatically matched. Contacts by email, companies by name. Matched companies and contact custom fields are not updated unless you request that. And one tip. If your target account is empty, it is not recommended to create contacts and companies on your own because it will increase the migration speed. Because if you create the contacts companies prior to the migration, like a lot of them, hundreds of thousands of them, it will take more time for the tool to find those companies and contacts, match them, and then create the tickets for them rather than just create the data from scratch. So if you're just starting to plan the migration, just migrate contacts and companies together with tickets. Do not create them beforehand. So that's it about the contacts and companies migration. And now we are moving to the contacts and companies and tickets, basically to all objects fields mapping. See you in the next lesson.